Holy potatoes! Alright, we're back out in the shop. Works. Alright, we're back out in the shop today. Do a little more work on the Willys here. Get pretty close to wheeling it. I got a little bit of wiring to do to get that front differential to engage and disengage. But the major part we're waiting for to get the four-wheel drive working is the drive line, and I bet you can guess by the hat I'm wearing that I went and picked me one up today. Went down to Tom Woods.
Tom Woods.
Had them build me a drive shaft to fit, because this is obviously a custom application. It's a funky length, and you're dealing with two different types of U-joints, being two different vehicles that those parts came out of. So, but they were super awesome, fast turnaround. Can't say good enough, and they threw in this sweet hat. So let's get to putting this thing in, and we'll be one step closer to spinning all four tires on this thing. Took the hat off and left it in the truck. I don't want to mess it up. It's a pretty sweet hat. Alright, everything looks like it's going to fit and clear. I'm clearing that shift lever by quite a bit, and it clears the exhaust just fine. It all sits in place like a glove.
Like a glove.
Somebody came to visit. What doing, Booper? Hey, baby girl. What doing, huh? You come to see the daddy? What are you doing out here? Hey, Wolf, what you do? What you do, baby? She's out moseying. Holy potatoes!
I'm gonna die out here one day.
What's that?
What was that?
Lost my hairline.
Oh, Jesus. Don't.
Well, at least she came to see if I wasn't dead. That was loud. Too bad I wasn't filming when that went off. It sounded like a shotgun in here. Looks like I got some plumbing to do. I guess as soon as I find the other piece of pipe, we can put it back together.
Rabbit's not safe for that.
Good Lord. Guess I should use something besides PVC pipe. It's only rated for 480 PSI. That's stupid. Got me a sweet little baby hammer. No, it's not a claw hammer. It is a ball peen, so you can't hate on me. Even though a claw hammer would probably work, I just don't have a baby one, and I need a baby hammer. Well, she's in, she fits, she's tight, she's ready to rock and roll. Sweet. Alright, we're gonna get this wired up. That way this will, it pushes a little plunger out. We got a little video, I'll show you what it does. Basically it pushes the plunger out to actuate the front differential. So we'll get that wired up and we'll be wheeling before too long. Park brake cables installed. Park brake pedal installed. Got my battery tie downs welded in. Battery is tied down. Got these tie downs installed. Should be nice. Be able to throw a box in the back there. Alright, she's ready to wheel. Got the mirrors installed. That should work all right. Got the four-wheel drive switches in. They're hanky-janky till I get a dash built, but they'll work for now. It's working. Got the Zoomy. We trimmed up the bed so it's not knocking on the exhaust pipe while I had them off today. We got these tie downs in the back so I can put my boxes back there, just take some tools and stuff and go wheeling. Got the e-brake working. Center there. Got all the mounts welded to the frame. All the cables hooked up. And we got the pedal assembly installed. Got it working. The one thing I still got to do, figure out where I'm going to put that, but we can just chill up in here with the rest of that rat's nest for now. It's operational. Enough working, let's go have some fun. You guys know the deal. If you like this video, subscribe right here. Also, check out some of my other content right here. And we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Well, four-wheel drive works. Took me some holes. Oops.